Next we are going to talk about the sexually transmitted viral diseases. The viral diseases, we have the AIDS. This is called as the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So this, it is caused by a particular causative agent called human immunodeficiency syndrome, that is called as HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, which is the HIV. And this particular virus, it infects the immune system, that is, it affects the CD4 cells, which are responsible for immunity or production of the immune cells, immunocompetent cells in the body. So this, it affects CD4 cells, and thereby it brings the defect in the immune system. And some of the symptoms here, you can observe there will be a rapid weight loss, severe weight loss it will be there, and recurring fever and profuse night sweats it will be there, and prolonged swelling in the lymph glands, in the armpits, groin, as well as in the neck region. And there will be sores on the mouth. Mouth will be a lot of sores, and anus as well as genitals, and it causes pneumonia. There is a lung infection in the lungs due to Streptococcus pneumoniae bacteriums. And some of the antibiotics which can be used here is called the zidovudin or acidothiamine or didanosine. These are the antibiotics. Zidovudin, acidothiamidin and didanosine can be used to treat HIV infections, but here they can control the spread of the virus, but there is no proper remedy or any we can call it as any antibiotic, direct antibiotics for AIDS. The next disease is called hepatitis B. This is caused by hepatitis B virus. It's called HBV virus, and here the symptoms are abdominal pain and urine it will be dark, and fever, joint pains, a loss of appetite, weight loss, nausea, feel like vomiting, and vomiting it will be there, weakness, and muscles become fatigue, stretchable, it becomes fatigue, and yellowing of the skin as well as whites on your eyes. It can lead to a condition called jaundice. So these are secondary infections when infected with hepatitis B virus. And some of the antiviral drugs including entecavir, tenofovir and lamivudine, adilfovir and telbivudin. These are some of the antibiotics which are used to treat hepatitis B. So that antibiotics can be used. Next we are going to talk about genital herpes. The genital herpes are caused by human papilloma virus, and these are some of the symptoms are cracked, raw and red areas around the genitals. It will be red sores or red growth it will be there, and without pain, itching and tingling it will be there, and itching and tingling around the genital regions as well as anal region it will be there, and small blisters and it can be there, and which can lead to painful sores. These are the symptoms of that. And we can use acyclovir and famciclovir and valvocyclovir. Valvocyclovir can be used to treat genital herpes. Next is that other diseases, it is called the chlamydiasis, which is caused by Chlamydia trachomatis. This is the particular virus which causes that. And here some of the symptoms are pain or burning while peeing, that is releasing of the urine, and the low belly region, abdominal pain it will be there, vaginal discharge it will be there with bad odor, and bleeding between the periods can take place. Sometimes what will happen, the pus or water discharges can be there from the penis, and swollen and tender testis it will be swollen, and more infections can be there in the testis too. And infections, the anti-infection agents like antimicrobial drugs, erythromycin and rifampicin can be used to treat the chlamydiasis. The next disease what we are going to talk is about the protozoal sexually transmitted diseases. So the protozoans can even cause sexually transmitted diseases, especially we have trichomoniasis, which is caused by Trichomonas vaginalis, Trichomonas vaginalis. So here it causes vaginal discharge with frothy and unpleasant smell, it will be there. And similarly, the vaginal bleeding can take place, and genital burning, genital region burning and itching can be there. And similarly, the genital redness, swelling. Similarly, the frequent urinate, that is called the frequent urge to urinate, that is called micturition. Micturition can take place and painful during urination as well as in sexual intercourse time. And there will be a problem. It can be treated with the metronidazole and tinidazole. These are the two antibiotics which are used to treat trichomoniasis. So next we are going to talk about the disease that are caused due to fungal infections. Even the fungus can cause sexually transmitted diseases. We have candidiasis. Candida albicans is the causative agent for that. It will be tiredness and fatigue. They will feel very tired and fatigue. And urinary tract infections can be there. It's called UTI. And similarly, sinus infections, skin and nail fungal infections, and joint pain are some of the symptoms of fungal diseases, which is caused mainly by the Candida albicans. And some of the antibiotics, that is called clotrimazole, nystatin, and miconazole can be used to treat candidiasis. This is about the various types of sexually transmitted diseases in human, and in very severe cases, sexually transmitted diseases, it can lead to death.